I bought some things. I did some shopping. And I don't want to film inside. I want to film outside, even though it's cold today. So I set my pile of stuff on the bench in my, let me say this right, my golf fritillary and zebra longwing haven. So I'm going to sit out there in the cold and show you what I bought. Let's go. Of course, my little assistant, Ringo, had to come along to help. Here is my little pile. And here are 2 pots of little zinnia seedlings. Look how cute. I can't wait till they have flowers on them. All right, first thing is some seeds. Now, these seeds I ordered from Amazon, and they're from Alts Pride, which sells on Amazon. Those are the same brand that these are. And look how well they came up. So, of course, I got more. Look how gorgeous these are. Look at these. Look at these. Inca, can you even imagine? The butterflies are going to go nuts over these. And I will link them below. Then, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, there we go. Zinnia seeds, 500. I think I got this on Amazon too. If I did, I'll link it below. And then, of course, some more of these Mexican sunflowers. You know what? They should use one of my pictures on here. You can never have too many of these. These are from Alts Pride. This is my first time, I think, buying from them. Zinnia seed or Mexican sunflower seeds, but I imagine they'll do well. Okay, we'll just set those right there. Look how pretty! Next, I placed my first order with Johnny's Seeds. Now, Johnny's Seeds was recommended to me by one of my viewers and somebody I chat with regularly on Instagram. Okay, so here we have Zinnia elegans. This was Jim Baggett's choice mix. So it's a mixture of different kinds. Look at that, 94% germination rate. That's fabulous. Cactus flowered. I love these. State Fair mix. These were beautiful on the website. And then I got a mix of Cosmos. I love Cosmos. Y'all, Cosmos is where I got my little leopard moth caterpillar. And he turned into that beautiful moth. It was on Cosmos. So this is totally in the hopes that I get another one. I'll put a picture of it right beside if I haven't already, so you can remember that little bundle of fuzzy adorableness. I want more of those. All right, so that's all I got from Johnny's. Do you ever get one of these packages? Like, I can tell there's something in there because you can see it, but it really feels like this is empty. But I know what that is. That's another one of those zinnia seed packets that was delayed. I guess they were out of stock, so they sent it later. And that's why I don't have it out of the prime bag yet. Look at these, y'all. Look at that color. These are called Zinnia Elegans Berry Tart. Is that not fun? Look how gorgeous. Picture these all over the place right there. It's going to be fabulous. Okay, now this box is cool. This is something I bought to try for my business. Remember the seed starting kit that I got that had the rubbery bottom that was like gushy so you could pop out the seedlings? Well, this is a bigger pot that I found that looks kind of the same. Look at these. Aren't they cute? Look at their little bottoms. See? So I got 2 packs of those. let me dig one out. Look how cute. Can't you picture like my bronze funnels in here, or well, swamp milkweed, or anything that I grow from seed, all my little wildflowers, and then when they're ready to grow in the ground, just pop, pop, and out they come. And then to reuse them, and again, I bet I can run these through the dishwasher. And y'all, I don't mind paying a little more for something that's going to be quality and that I can use over and over again. So, and that makes life easier. Like, making life easier to me is worth spending more. So there we go. And the other thing in here is totally a suggestion from one of you, my viewers. And they messaged me and said to try this, the Corona Blade Sharpener, because I'm always talking about how I have yet to find anything that sharpens my pruners well, like my Felco pruners and my Gonic pruners. And so we're going to give this a go. And thank you. You know who you are. Thank you for reaching out to me and let me know that this was what I wanted and it wasn't expensive at all. And of course, I'll link it below in my Amazon links. And let me just put a reminder in here right now, because I have to say that my Amazon links are affiliate links, which means if you click through my link, put it in your cart, and then anything else you put in your cart and purchase by going through my link to get to Amazon, Amazon pays me a very small commission, like 2 to 4%. And this is like, I want to say $8. So it's not that much, but it's something. So I love it when you guys do that. I don't know who you are. I don't know who does it. It just tells me that somebody used my link, and that's it. So anyway, I had to share that. So thank you. Thank you, those of you who use my Amazon links. Now, let's move on to, no, we're not moving on. There's still another box. We're not moving on. Let's see what's in the other box. Okay, this is also something that I ordered, of course, from Amazon. I got 2 of them, and one of them I already have out and up and working, but I thought I would unbox this one with you so you could see what it is and what it looks like in the box, and then you can see what it looks like assembled. That's right, guys, assembly is required. This is another, I think it's by PROPAGATING. Let me see. No, it's it's Garden online. But this is what it looks like. It's a mini greenhouse. It's little and adorable. And it would be great for butterflies on a cool day that you need to keep somewhere safe and you don't want my big giant greenhouse that's a tunnel. But really, I'm using this to grow plants for my business. And now I'm going to walk you up and show you what it looks like. While we're on our way up to look at that little greenhouse, let's have a chat about this Florida weather that we have been having here. It's been crazy. We had the coldest night we've had all year last night. It got down to 36, and you can see my garden did just fine. I'm so glad. I literally have one caterpillar, and it was all covered up, nice and cozy. And I had one butterfly. It closed yesterday, which spent the night out in the greenhouse. Maybe we'll go check on it. And the rest of the guys are in chrysalides. So everybody was warm and made it through the night. Well, we'll check on that monarch. But here's the exciting thing. The rest of the week, it gets warmer and warmer and warmer. And we actually have 80s. 80s. That's right. 80s predicted for the end of this week, which means I should get butterflies back in my garden. And I cannot wait. And we're coming up to the end of January, and February 28th is my last freeze date. Like, that's my date so that I know I can plant stuff, and after that there shouldn't be a freeze. And in my mind, that means the 18th. If the 10-day weather outlook is good, then the 18th, that's my day. It is just around the corner. Just around the corner. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go see the little greenhouse. Okay, so here it is. Ringo's modeling it with his little tongue out. I put it right here because it gets really good sun. This is right outside the door of my garden room, and it's right inside. It's right in front of my corky stem passion vine. I put the little plants up on milk crates, and 2 crates fit in there perfectly, and the trays of seedlings are sitting on top. And look at how nice that is. I can pick it up and carry it around with one hand. It's on one of those metal frames with the little plastic connectors. Super, super, super easy to build. And I love it. And I love that I have another one. And I just have to figure out where I want to put it. Okay, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video to see what I bought, and now we're gonna walk out and peek into the tunnel greenhouse and check on that monarch that spent the night there in the 30-degree overnight. Okay, so yesterday it was down on this end. Let me peek through and see if I see its little orange colors. I do not. I wonder where the baby is. All right, I'm going to unzip with both hands so I can look in and see where it is without it getting out, because I don't want to let it out till probably tomorrow when it warms up. But I'm going to go find it, and then I will show you. You guys, I was looking everywhere for it. I was nearly in a panic, thinking what could have happened to it, because there are a few little openings where it could get out. And I thought, well, maybe something got in there and ate it. But even so, things don't usually eat the wings, and they're bright orange. I would have found them. I found it. He was hiding, but I found it. And y'all, I can also report, as soon as I unzip this, it's so warm and roasty toasty in here. Well, it's not unbelievable. It's a greenhouse. That's what their job is. But it really did its job. Okay, so we're going to go and look at all these pentas. And then it's hanging up on the side over there. I'm going to zoom. See it? That's why I couldn't find it. Okay, so it looks good. And I'm going to let it out tomorrow. So exciting. So y'all, thank you so much for watching my channel. Remember, take a minute and tap the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.